myself Amy Adlakha. Something, I always had this business ka keeda in me. I thought let's not get into some job category. So that's why I started my own reality business. And from first deal which I have done for my friend who was staying in Netherlands, till now it's 15 years, and continuing in the same industry.
Yes.
With more and more work in commercial, residential, land, plot. Now we have also entered into co-working spaces.
Okay.
So that's very new because now it's trending. So I
Yes.
thought let's enter into this and expand.
नमस्ते, मी ॲडव्होकेट नीरा धाडगे.
कोणत्याही क्षेत्रात तुमची कामगिरी वाखाणण्यासारखी असेल,
इतक्या लोकांशी मी बोलतेय ना, काहीतरी रोज नवीन शिकायला मिळतं. एकमेकांना मदत करण्यासाठी तुम्ही ही कम्युनिटी जॉईन करू शकता, पुणे वुमन्स क्लब.
नमस्कार, मी ॲडव्होकेट नीरा धाडगे तुमचं सहर्ष स्वागत करत आहे पॉडकास्ट विथ नीरामध्ये. मेल डॉमिनेटिंग कंट्रीमध्ये असं मी नाही म्हणणार आता, कारण आपल्या महिला आज की मस्त कामगिरी करतायत आणि इतक्या क्षेत्रांमध्ये पुढे जात आहेत, पण तरीही जेव्हा आपण पाहायची वेळ येते तेव्हा पुरुष प्रधान संस्कृतीमध्ये आपण वाढलेली लोक आहोत. आणि इथे जेव्हा काम करायची वेळ येते, जेव्हा डॉमिनेटिंग पोझिशनवर काम करायची वेळ येते, तेव्हा कुठेतरी महिलाला हा प्रश्न नक्की विचारला जातो की बाई तू हे कसं करतेस किंवा कसं केलं पाहिजे. तर याचं एक सोल्युशन आणि या अशा एका हुद्द्यावर किंवा एका इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये काम करणाऱ्या एमी मैम आज आपल्या बरोबर आहेत. वेलकम मैम, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे देख के.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Yes मैम. जैसे मैंने अभी कहा कि आप एक मेल डोमिनेटिंग इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हो, हम लोग इस पे बाद में आएंगे, उससे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन करवा दीजिए.
Sure. So myself Amy Adlakha, and I am basically from Delhi, but after my marriage we shifted to US, and after that I came here to Pune. So I have done my graduation and my BA degree from Delhi itself, but after coming to Pune I thought that something, I always had this business ka keeda in me. I thought let's not get into some job category. So that's why I started my own reality business. And from first deal which I have done for my friend who was staying in Netherlands, till now it's 15 years, and continuing in the same industry.
Yes.
With more and more work in commercial, residential, land, plot. Now we have also entered into co-working spaces.
Okay.
So that's very new because now it's trending. So I thought let's enter into this and expand.
रियल एस्टेट के बारे में जब हम लोग बात करते हैं तब बहुत जगह पे मेल डोमिनेटिंग लोग दिखते हैं.
Yes.
यहाँ पे आप जब काम करते हो तब आपको क्या फील होता है, या फिर कैसे आप डील कर रहे हो लोगों से?
Yes, it is really difficult, and initially when I entered into this industry, when we moved to Pune, it was really difficult because people, especially males, have already dominated that area.
Yes.
So to make your mark in this kind of a industry was really tough, but I sailed it through.
Yes.
Yeah.
आप अगर मुझे कुछ खरीदना है या फिर हमारे ऑडियंस को कुछ खरीदना है तो आपके यहाँ पे क्यों आए?
Okay, so first of all, contact me. You can take my number and please get in touch with me.
Yes.
So we try to see, the main USP of us is that we provide end-to-end solution.
Okay.
For our clients, those who are sitting abroad also. So I take care of their properties because I have an entire team of plumbers, carpenters and painters and everybody. So you don't have to worry about anything. We will keep rotating the tenants in your property, and you will be getting the rent as per your demand.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's the USP of our company.
Okay. More than 15 years आप इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हो, बहुत आपको एक्सपीरियंस आ गया रहेगा. एंड आई गेस पुणे, मुंबई एंड दिल्ली आप वर्क कर रहे हो.
Yes.
तो इसका होल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है मैम?
it's actually, you know, I am a workaholic, so I know that it's really, when you get into this industry, it's like not only you just close the deal, there is a lot of homework involved in that.
Yes.
So before work is involved, when you have to do negotiations with the clients, some are okay with you, some are not, so you know, again and again you have to call them, make an appointment with them,
Yes,
meetings,
yes.
you know, fix up meetings and everything. So that's quite tough, but it's not impossible, I would say.
नाइस। बहुत सारी सोशल वर्क भी आप कर रहे हो, एक आपका
Yes.
ग्रुप है एंड वो भी बहुत कुछ काम कर रहा है, उसके बारे में हमें बताइए।
Okay, so I think everyone knows that what happened in the year 2020 when COVID was hitting hard
Yes.
everywhere in the
Yes.
world. So at that time, even my business was impacted, reality business. There was no business actually, zero business was there. So I thought that I have made this network so huge, living in this industry. Why not I use this network for the women who are homegrown entrepreneurs.
ओके।
Yeah, so we started this community. It's called Pink Connect, and it was started in the year 2020 with only 20 ladies on this platform. But now it has grown to like more than 120, and I think 220, 120 like that. But yeah, so we started this, and I gave them this platform, and one by one they started entering the platform, and we started this business. So basically the job what I do is that we give them business through our platform, where they can like, suppose I'll give you one example. We have one auntie G who is 70 years old, but she doesn't know how to do GPay and Dunzo and you know all these things. So I try to train her in that, and yeah, so we try to do that.
गुड गुड गुड। पिंक कनेक्ट बहुत सारी चीजें कर रहा है,
Yeah.
आई गेस आप ब्रांडिंग इवेंट्स भी कर रहे हो।
Yes,
तो
yes.
उसके बारे में हमें बताइए।
So recently, I think 6 months back only, we have entered into a branding part now, because how many exhibitions you can do, how many pop-ups you can do. Although we do it like every
Yes.
2-3 months, we do that as
Okay.
well. But what everyone is doing, I don't believe in doing that. So I have entered into this branding part, where recently we have done a very good event. We hosted our community in Tanishq. Tanishq Jewelry, Phoenix Mall.
ओके।
Where MAC Cosmetics, which is an international
Yes,
brand,
yes.
has taken a master class there for our community.
Okay.
So these kind of events we are also doing for the PR
Okay.
purposes. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
And yeah, I want to mention one more thing, that now again we have entered into a corporate events segment as well,
Wow.
where very soon I will be hosting a corporate event with a very big company on Women's Day.
ओह वाओ, ग्रेट।
Yeah.
ग्रेट, बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हो मैम।
Thank you.
एंड बहुत लोग आज के बाद आपको कनेक्ट करेंगे। पिंक
Thank
कनेक्ट बहुत ही अच्छा नाम है।
Thank
इस नाम के पीछे कुछ स्टोरी है?
Yes, बहुत बड़ी story है. So Pink Connect actually was Pink Club when
Okay.
it was started.
ओके।
But in the year 2022, when COVID was like almost over, then I thought this club thing won't work, because there were many women who were connecting to us throughout the globe. So that's why, like for example, we have a Vedic astrologer from USA, Florida. We have a happiness coach who has shifted from Dubai. So there are like many examples. So it's like globally we are connecting. So I thought of this, you know, changing the name from Pink Club to Pink Connect.
नाइस। बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम, आज आप यहाँ पे आए और आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ हमें सीखने को मिला। लेट्स डू समथिंग टुगेदर।
Yes.
क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप भी कर रहे हो, पुणे वुमेन्स क्लब का प्लेटफॉर्म भी कर रहा है, एंड जितने भी लेडीज ये प्लेटफॉर्म अभी यूज कर रहे हैं वो आपके साथ कनेक्ट हो, मुझे वही लगता है।
Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच आज आने के लिए।
Thank you so much for having me here, and we will definitely collab with you.
Yes.
And do a kind of a very, very huge event.
इवेंट्स। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.